Let's harvest some tomatoes. Yan, yung harvest din yung beans. Hinarvest ko na rin yung iba.
What's the other one?
I think it's hiding there. See?
Oh, it's hiding.
Yeah, it's hiding, eh?
Come out, tomato.
Come out, tomato. See? Yan yung harvest namin. First harvest ng beans.
What's the other one?
Yeah, there's more there. It's hiding, see? Look. There, it's all the way there. The back. Oh, the other one is rotten. I think because there's no air in there. Yan. Yay! You have something to eat again, eh? Just like a fruit.
It's like mommy.
Yeah, this one is rotten. We need to take this off. Yeah, that's rotten, baby. There's one here. See, you can harvest that.
No, this is not.
No, it's not yet. It's not ready yet.
Not right.
Okay. Oh, look at what you harvest.
This.
I don't know. Hindi siya na ano,
What's this?
na-pollinate. Pagka ganyan daw, hindi siya na-pollinate. Ayan.
What's the other one?
Yeah, let's go find something else to harvest. I think there's more beans there. And one eggplant there.
Want to get it?
Oh, maybe not yet, baby. Let's go to the other one. Let's harvest some beans. Okay, can you hold this for me, please? Ayan. See? Woo! Oh boy. I almost killed them. Okay, here there's beans here, baby. Look. There's beans. Oh boy, I almost step on them. Ayan. Ah, there's a kalabasa here. Ayan, merong iba dito, oh, nakatago na beans. Ayan, meron din dyan, oh. Ayan, dito. There's a kalabasa there. See? This one. Let's just grab this. Okay.
No, give me that peppers.
The beans.
This pepper. Give me this one.
Oh, the beans. Okay. Ayaw niyo yung isa dahil pokey. Dandarandaran. Saan kayo, beans? Nakatago kayo eh. Daming leaves. Dito banda, hirap hanapin. Nasa lupa yung iba. Baon sa lupa. So ayan guys, yung ating harvest. Ayan.